guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a night routine, I guess you can call it. This is just me doing it's a brand new week, so I'm just doing my regular face routine and also a nighttime curly hair routine. So it's a brand new week, you know, I'm starting off with my facial routine. I really try to be consistent with my facial routine. So right now I'm just starting off by washing my hands because you want to make sure if you're touching your face, you are using clean hands at all time. Okay. Next, I'm going in with my facial brush. This facial brush is actually from Vanity Planet. I've been using this for a couple of years now. It has changed my face game, if that's what you want to call it. And I have a discount code in my description box if you're interested. And then I'm just going in with my BIORE face wash. So I know some people usually wash their face with their hands. Like, everyone has their self-preference, and this is something I used to do. But the one thing I love about the brush is that it really gets into your pores and get all that dirt and impurities out of it. And you guys are going to see me struggling. This is something that always happens when I'm using this brush. It starts pulling out all my baby hair. I don't know why I didn't even think to put my hair back, but shout out to my grandma giving me this little headband thing. It really comes clutch. And then I'm going to almost blind myself. Yep, okay. So anyways... Yeah, I really love the face brush because it really gets into your pores. If you wear makeup, I highly recommend that you invest in a face brush because, yeah, all that makeup, if you have pores on your face, all that makeup is just sitting in your pores, right? So definitely try out the facial brush. This is this is a brush I've been using for a couple years. I put my little sister on it, and like, she's seen big improvement in her skin as well. And yeah, I use it on my lips as well to exfoliate my lips. It's really soft and gentle on the skin as well because I have super sensitive skin and I've had no problems with this brush at all. And right now I'm just going in and just massaging the product into my skin, and then I'm going to rinse it off. So after that, I always make sure that I have a separate face towel different than my body towel. So this is the Healing Mask Clay. I'm just mixing it in a bowl with some apple cider vinegar, and this mask is really does what it says it does. Like, do your research on this clay. It's really good. I've used it in my hair in a previous video. Just make sure when you are using this product, you're only using it like once a week because it's very drying to the skin. So whenever I mix mine, I use the healing clay, the apple cider vinegar, and I do add a little bit of coconut oil, whatever oil I have available, just because it's very drying to the skin. And I already suffer with dry skin in some parts of my face, so I just want to make sure I'm not like over drying my skin. And then I just apply it to my face and let it sit for a bit, or until like 15-20 minutes, or until I'm done my shower. Baby girl just had to make her appearance in the video, kicking me up, man. It hurts so bad, guys. But anyways, so this is my hair. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how matted it was. I neglected my hair literally for a whole week. I was like, holy crap, like, what did I do to myself? But anyways, this is just like a nighttime curly hair routine, I guess you can call it. It's very simple. My nighttime curly hair routine is very simple. I just washed my hair with some Aussie shampoo, and then I went in with my Tresemme conditioner, and I also gave it a quick little deep conditioner because it's a brand new week, so I use a Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner. And I just did a quick length check. Can't believe how much my hair has grown, man. But anyways, it's just me styling my hair. I've used these products in a previous video, my last fall routine video. So I just went in with the OUIDAD Vital Curls Gel, and then I'm going to be using the Sheath Keeper or something? Curl Keeper. I'm going to be going in with the Curl Keeper cream products. I'll list everything in the description box below. I'm having like pregnancy brain right now. But yeah, my nighttime routine is very simple when it comes to me doing my curly hair routine. So when I prep my hair like this, it kind of lasts me, I can make it last for a week. That's not me having it down, that's more like me having it down for like 1 or 2 days while I'm at school, because the Thursdays and Fridays I have placement, my hair has to be pulled back in a bun. But it can last me for roughly a week. So this is just me basically prepping my hair for the week, I guess. I've been neglecting my hair so bad, like it's actually so bad. But after I put all my products, I'm going to diffuse for a little because I am going to bed. I don't want to go to bed with my hair all wet. And I actually go in with some coconut oil over my hair just to seal in everything and give my hair that extra moisture, because it is winter time. You want to make sure you're adding like any type of extra moisture that you can to your hair, especially if your hair dries like super quick. Ooh, how can I almost forget the most important part? It is a brand new week, brand new freshly washed hair. I always oil my scalp on the first day and throughout the week. I'm just going in with some peppermint oil because my scalp has been super itchy. I love this oil. It gives you like that tingly feeling. And then because I'm using the diffuser, it actually it's like I'm kind of giving myself like a little hot oil treatment at the same time. And I always massage my scalp. I always give myself a nice little massage, because it feels so good, and two, because it stimulates hair growth. Finally, I just rinse the mask off my face, and I make sure that I go in with a oil that's kind of heavy, because like I said before, this mask is very drying to the skin. So I went with some, I think it's shea butter and mixed with vitamin E oil that I had, and I put a little coconut oil on my eyelashes, and that is basically it. And I just put on my bonnet. I found my bonnet. Well, this is one of my older bonnet, but since it's day one and my hair is a little wet, I thought, why not just throw on a bonnet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.